Hello, I'm Dr. April Fatima Hernandez. I'm a sleep specialist and an adult psychiatrist at St. Luke's Medical Center, both in Quezon City and Global City. Okay, this is a myth because stress or anxiety is only one of the multiple possible factors that would influence your insomnia. If you experience cognitive stimulation, emotional stimulation, and physical stimulation, it will disrupt your sleep initiation. For example, if you experience extreme emotions such as excitement and sadness, that can delay your sleep initiation. Also, if you engage yourself in reading exciting books, then it will also stimulate your brain. And sometimes when we feel discomfort in bed, such as chronic cough, GERD, or itchiness in our body, it can also trigger insomnia. So it's not just stress that causes insomnia.